This video is going to be around conversion of VMs. You're able to set this up when you are inside of the console. You can go to the Management tab that is underneath Devices on the left-hand side. And then if you scroll down just a bit more, up right above VM Replication, you'll see an option called Conversion to VM. You'll see any plans that you already have set up there. You most likely, if you're just getting started, you're not going to have any, but you'll be able to hit Create Plan at the top right. And then from there, you're able to decide what you want to convert it to, whether it's an ESXi host or a Hyper-V as an example. So you're going to select the right one that you have access to currently, one that you have support for and installed and good to go. And then as you can see, you're just going to follow the instructions here to where we can rename that machine if we need to, select the host we want to put it under, and then from the items to convert, we can then choose whether we pull it from a location storage or whether we pull it from a specific backup within that area. And then once you're done, you're able to set your schedule in your VM settings. And then as you can see, once it finalizes, it sits right here in which you're able to also go in and see the full listing of the activities for anything in the past that it's done, as well as see any details for everything. See the actual path that it's taken, if there's a password included, etc. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you very much.